Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of a backpack, school backpack for kids this time, and I've got it actually a long time ago, but last year I think, but I didn't unbox it yet, so it will be helpful now as the soon will be starting new school year, so that's why it's good timing to unbox this backpack for kids, which is by brand Bentgo. Looks like this. I removed it already from the foil because I got it like last year, but I didn't even use it yet. It has feature which is built-in lunch bag, so it's cool for kids because they can have also backpack and lunch bag in one. So let's see how it looks. Actually, I also considered buying it because not as a kid, but just to have it because I like the colors, and it comes in many colors, and it has size that can be usable by adult too, so the straps are big enough, and I decided I can get it too and use it as an adult, not a kid. So if you like cute backpacks and don't know which one to buy, and this one is not expensive, then I recommend this one. And I've got it on Amazon. Hope they still sell it. I will show you a link in the description. So here it is, the backpack. Let's remove this. So first compartment is here. It's open one way, actually two ways. Wow, I'm surprised. Two-way zipper opens all the way down. Here you have compartments for your stuff like pencils, and it's here, only here, not here. I thought this one is also, but it's here. Deep pocket. Second pocket or compartment is here. Also two-way zipper. This one is wider than some North Face borealis actually. So you can fit here many books. And here it has also compartment, which is with Velcro. Here is for some small laptop or tablet, and here for some pencils. Here, and then it has that lunchbox compartment, also two-way zipper, opens like this. This part is lined with that material that is used in lunch boxes, but this side is like this. Also lined with the material, but they also have mesh pocket with zipper, and inside we can find this. Yay! Can you see it? Yeah. This backpack also have two pockets on the sides, which are meshed. A nice bottle, and it has this small thingy that you can regulate the size by pressing this button. So it's cool. It's only on one side, not on both. And the back of this backpack, it has handle here, and back looks like this. It has nice padded area with mesh material and some foam inside, so it's nice and stiff, so it's good for keeping your laptop or other electronics and folders nice and secure. Straps are good size, also padded, so very comfortable, and it has even this strap that connects both of them, which can be regulated and keep straps together, which is good for winter or even some hiking. In winter, when you wear the coats that are very slippery material, backpacks often fall down. So let's try it on, how it looks on me. Of course, backpacks, so I will make straps longer. To make it easier to wear, as you can. And the backpack looks like this. So it's nice and looks good. I mean, it fits, can be adult. Match my t-shirt well. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment down below, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.